warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone. The Honorable, my advisor and examiner, Mr. Asep Saiful STMT. The Honorable, my mentor, Mr. Asep Supriyatna, SIMM. And the Honorable Coach, Mr. Dudung Abdullah Pastor, MNPD, and all of the audience. Thank you very much for the attendance. I would like to present my action plan design. Before I'm not native English speaker, but from recommendation of my coach, I want to try deliver it in English. However, sometimes maybe I will mix with Indonesian language. My title of action plan is the optimization archive preservation through AstraZeneca services. In akronim Indonesia, Anjuman Restorasi Arsip Jaringan Instansi dan Keluarga in Purwakarta Regency. I'm Desi Hendriani, absen number 10. The background of this issue is several background. First, Arsip has underestimated conception, the low concept of archive, and the optimization effort for archive preservation is less than optimal. Our regulation is Undang-Undang Nomor 43 2009 concerning archive. The data in fact result that Andri audit report value on 2023 for Purwakarta Regency at the point 71.01 or the rank of 14 in West Java. Our target is go to top 10. This audit result show that we didn't get optimization archive preservation through principal restoration. The objective of my action plan consists of short-term, mid-term, and long-term. For the short-term, providing SOP for AstraZeneca services and launching AstraZeneca services. For the long-term is regarding providing region regulation of Bupati, concern AstraZeneca, and optimization AstraZeneca services. And for the long-term is implementation and evaluation, such as give customer satisfaction survey, and therefore to increase audit report value ANRI from good to satisfied in Purwakarta Regency. The benefit of my action plan for myself is to optimization by our duty and task and job function. For intention is providing increasing, improving public service about Arsip, and for the community is get giving public services with safety and restoration advice. We now, if we have archive maintenance and information, they get economic value. This, as we see on the screen, our structure organization. I sit in head of counseling, preservation, and development archive. I report directly to my head office, and my tasks including providing main task on counseling, preservation, and development of archive. I get current issue and what is the expectation issue in this in Purwakarta Regency. The current issue Arsip has underestimated conception archive not maintain their physical information, and archive allows safety for archive in government, local, in government of company, and in the community. For this current step and extraction step, I get the gap that the law efforts for archive preservation in local government, in local government company, and the community. The top flow of organization management, such like in the slide before, our condition about archive is not maintain their physical information in the future. If this condition is not resolved, make the archive is not maintain the physical information for the future. So my innovative solution is providing Astarjinga services or providing preservation archive services based on paper media archive in government institution, government, local company, and other community. I get survey analysis for get priority issue. I get 125 respondents come from local government employee, district and in Purwakarta agency, employee, and the community. I did 3 questions from them. How many archive are they use archive use value in this place? What kind of archive media that they have, and how important to preserve archive? As we see on the screen, actually all of the respondents, most of the respondents have archive usage value, have archive on media paper, and they said very important to preservation archive. To get priority sequence of this issue, I use USG analysis method. For issue, we can get the priority issue on number 1 based on your urgently, seriously, and growth. This is priority issue is low effort for preservation archive in local government institution, in the local government owned company, and in the community. To define the root cause of that issue, I use fishbone diagram analysis. This is our issue, the low effort for archive preservation in local government institution, local government owned company, and for the community. The root cause is 6 root cause, but as we see on the screen, there are I will solve this root cause on my innovation. For the 4 of 6, I will resolve to from this innovation. The synergies among stakeholders for archive preservation and SOP for archive preservation, and I will improve the skill of functional archivists in archive restoration. The milestone for my action plan, in the short term, there are 5 milestones on 10 activities.
Should they complete 8 weeks, 10 activities?
10 activities. 10 activities, Mr. Editor. This is the first milestone is preparing and consulting, drafting SOP and lettering. This is region regulation drafting, but for the validation in the next on the midterm, because our PJ Bupati is not defined definitive, and socialization AstraZeneca services and launching AstraZeneca services. The main stakeholder for my action plan, there are 4 quadrants. The promoters quadrant there are my head office and secretary office, archive and library. For the Latin stakeholder is secretary of Purwakarta Regency, archive national of Indonesian Republic, archive office region province, the West Java, and communication information office Purwakarta Regency. For socialization, I need some of publication in this Kominfo. For the vendor stakeholder, there are 6 stakeholders, such my mate in head division at archive library office, the functional archives in head library office, all of the head office in government local institution, all of head local government company, head of sub-district in Purwakarta Regency, and a head of village in Purwakarta Regency. In Purwakarta language, from my mentor, arsip kurang, kurang. So we must maintain the arsip together. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd be happy for having a question. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Perhaps please, perhaps if you are elected, you should have to be less. Right? Okay, thank you for your presentation. It's on time. And then would you please, Mr. Okay, as the mentor, if you want to English, okay, Indonesian, okay, but it's better in English. Sundanese. Sundanese, all Sundanese. Okay, Sundanese. Terima kasih. Sundanese, silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nanti Pak Bos, Bapak Dr. Haji Dudung Abdullah Pasteur, yang saya hormati, Uji, Presiden